to get skincare benefits from everyday makeup. A recent survey shows that the average woman will spend nearly $15,000 on makeup products in her lifetime. We've found ways for you to get your money's worth from this huge investment. Nowadays there are a lot of products that combine skincare and makeup. Choosing the proper cosmetics and following several simple steps can make your face as beautiful as it is healthy. At Brightside, we found the best tips for makeup with benefits. Read on and your skin will thank you. 1. Choose makeup products for your skin type. In most cases, the majority of makeup products are harmless, but some can cause skin problems for certain individuals. To keep from having issues, use primers, powders, and foundations specially targeted at your skin type. There are no specific cosmetic ingredients that everyone should avoid. But even if you are one of the lucky ones with normal skin and haven't ever noticed any allergies or sensitive skin reactions, it's a good practice to look for hypoallergenic or fragrance-free products. Those of you with an oily skin type or suffering from acne should get rid of any oil-based cosmetics. Using these could lead to an increased number of clogged pores and an oily appearance. If you have any allergies or dry or sensitive skin, try to avoid potential allergens and irritants like acids, fragrances, emollients, or essential oils. Hypoallergenic hydrating products with cream or water-based formulas are the best solution for you. 2. Read the labels for good ingredients. Most of makeup products in beauty stores are enriched with magical ingredients that will change your life. But which elements actually work? We brought together some that are worth your special attention. Vitamin C was one of the hottest trends of the last year. A lot of beauty brands develop primers and foundations with vitamin C. These makeup products can nourish your skin's collagen, lighten dark spots, protect against premature aging, and even decrease sun damage. Vitamin E, also called the beauty vitamin, moisturizes the skin and improves skin texture. As an antioxidant, it decreases skin damage with free radicals, and helps to fight the signs of premature aging. Vitamin E also protects the skin from harsh weather conditions, which is why it's recommended to use foundation and lip balm enriched with this ingredient in winter. Copper peptides are well known in the beauty industry for their ability to stimulate collagen and elastin growth. They are also excellent at revitalizing the skin and making it smooth. Makeup products with this ingredient are good as an additional lifting measure, because they can significantly enhance your results in the fight against aging. Collagen. For a long time, collagen was the superstar of the anti-aging skincare market. But now scientists say that the only collagen that matters is a collagen made by your body, and applying a product with it onto your skin won't have any lifting effect. This is because of the size of the collagen molecules. They are too large to penetrate the inner layers of the skin. In contrast to their skincare colleagues, makeup brands have found the collagen very useful because it works well on the skin's outer layer. You'll now notice that most makeup products have added collagen. For example, foundation with collagen can temporarily seal your fine lines and pores without clogging, so your skin looks younger and smoother. Additionally, wearing these foundations, lipsticks, or eyeshadows create a kind of collagen shield protecting your skin from environmental stressors. 3. Always prepare your skin for makeup. According to experts, skin preparation is the first and most important step to flawless makeup. Applying makeup products without any preparation not only leads to worse results, but can also cause skin irritation and bacterial breakouts. Wash your face with a cleanser that's right for your skin type. A lot of beauty brands promise miraculous effects after applying their products with various skin treatment ingredients. But the truth is that cleansers don't actually stay on your face long enough to do any good to your skin besides cleansing. So, the best solution is to select mild, alcohol-free cleansers with simple ingredients. Exfoliating is a key part of keeping your skin silky. It helps to remove dead skin cells on the surface and reveal a new smooth skin layer beneath. It's essential to choose a proper exfoliator, because the wrong one can cause more harm than good. Gentle daily exfoliating scrubs should have circular-shaped small granules. Irregular, large, and rough granules can irritate or damage your skin. Hydrating your face is another important step when prepping for makeup. Moisturizer plumps up your skin and provides a silky, even surface for flawless makeup without any rough patches. Select a moisturizer that matches your skin type and contains SPF, providing you with good UV protection. 4. Use a primer. With makeup primer, the skin looks more youthful, healthy, and hydrated. It smooths out fine lines and moisturizes the skin due to its light liquid texture. Most primers are non-comedogenic, which means that they don't irritate the skin or clog your pores. Silicone-based primers gently seal even the smallest pores, prevent water loss, and protect the skin from bacteria and any other outer influence. That's why you should use a primer, especially if you suffer from acne or enlarged pores and your skin needs more protection. Additionally, massaging your primer onto your skin with your fingertips improves facial blood circulation, which then stimulates cell growth and makes your skin brighter. 5. Use makeup products with SPF. Luckily, nowadays protecting the skin against the sun's rays doesn't mean wearing heavy sunscreen every day. There are a lot of beauty products with SPF. Incorporating these products into your makeup routine will help you prevent premature wrinkles, skin cancer, and cut down on any redness in your complexion. According to skincancer.org, it's a good practice to use both a moisturizer and a foundation containing SPF. Experts say that we often don't apply enough of one product or apply it unevenly. An additional layer of SPF and makeup multiplies our chances of achieving an even layer of UV protection. When selecting your sunscreen products, pay attention to their SPF rating. For moisturizer, it should be -15 and higher, and for foundation, it should be from 8 to 15. Be sure both of them are full spectrum and protect against UV and UV rays. 6. Don't be afraid of bright and glowing makeup. It can be helpful. According to Philip Artemi, a doctor from Australasian College of Dermatologists, functional colored cosmetics, anything in your beauty bag from lipstick to highlighter, can be one of the most efficient anti-aging measures. He says that colored cosmetics are a great additional protection for your skin against sun rays and air pollution. Makeup products containing pigments and other light-reflecting ingredients can act like physical blockers, forming a shield between your face and any outer influence. This idea is particularly important with regard to eye and lip makeup. Usually we avoid applying sunscreen to our lips and delicate eye area, so glowing eyeshadows and dark long-lasting lipsticks can actually help. 7. Use a face powder. Don't forget to finish your makeup routine with light powder. Its particles not only keep foundation and moisturizer in place, but also provide additional protection from water loss and air pollution damage. And keep in mind that too much of a good thing can be harmful. 8. Don't sleep in makeup. Dermatologists advise to always double cleanse your skin from makeup before bed. Remember that sleeping in makeup can cause problems like clogged pores, acne, skin irritation, allergies, eye infections, and bacterial breakouts. Washing your face before going to bed is the best thing you can do for the natural recovery of your skin. Follow our simple advice, and your makeup will be as functional as it is beautiful. Do you have your own tips or makeup with benefits, suggestions? Share with us in the comments.